Here we go, 23,465. We've got the 5 boxes, 3 different years of ice. Does anyone want to guess what our big hit's going to be? Oh, yeah, it's on the sides. Are we going to get a 99? Are we going to get a nasty patch auto? Anyone want to make a fun little bet here? A little wager? I guess, technically. We got a green rookie for Florida, Spencer Knight. $9.99 Puranovich for the Blues. And a rookie of Pinto for Ottawa. I'm calling a 99 though. That's what I want to see. A green of Stamkos for Tampa. A rookie of Protas for the Caps. $7.99 for Calgary of Ruzicka. Oh, looks like my camera's not focused right now. Well, that's a... Oh, my God. A green of Matthews for the Leafs. A Flyers Allison. And this is going to most likely be... I don't even think I switched the card here. Come on, focus. There you go. The hit of the night. If we beat this one, guys, it's going to be a beast of a night. We've got numbered 1 of 5 exquisite patch auto for the Oilers, Connor McDavid. 1 of 5 McDavid for the Oilers. Well, congrats, whoever had Edmonton. My gosh. Jeez. Well, I would be very tough to beat that one tonight. I don't really see that, but hey, if I do, what a night it will be. A green of Colton for Tampa. Crystals for the Blue Jackets, Voracek. And for Nashville, Tomasino. Does anyone in the room have Edmonton by chance? A green of Heiskanen for Dallas. A orange for the Capitals of Protas. Lundqvist for the Rangers, rookie. Green of Jones for the Ducks. Crystals. Oh, top fell off right there. For Nashville, Jeannot. Jersey of Pavelski for Dallas. And our rookie of Zahorna for the Penguins. Now it's just yawn. Green of Radish for Tampa. Crystals of Jones for the Hawks. Perfetti for the Jets, rookie. Green of Vasilevsky for Tampa. Rookie for Minnesota of Addison. $7.99 Tomasino. Sharon! Holy jeez, congrats! $7.99 Tomasino. Party hardy tonight, Sharon. That is amazing. Calgary Flames, Markstrom green. We got a Lavender of Line A for the Jackets and an Eklund rookie for the Sharks. We got a green for LA of Byfield. We got a rookie for Minnesota of Beckman. And a Cider rookie Shrines for the Red Wings. Sharon, was that, I think that was an EMT payment. I don't know if it actually fully came in yet. I gotta somehow double check. Rangers green of Fox. Giordano orange for Seattle. And a Hardman rookie for the Hawks. Green of Kachuk for Ottawa. And a rookie for Florida of Lundell. 99 for the Avalanche, Makar. 99 Makar. Like, I'm just going to say, I might have to double check. I think our bank might have messed up on that one. It's weird. It might somehow kick back to you. So if it does, you know, I guess I'll just give you a bit of a credit back. Oh, Sharon, that's awesome. I'm so happy for you. That's a beast of a card. Holy moly. It's tripled if it does, yeah. Maybe a little more than that, but we got a green for the Devils of Mercer, a rookie of Eklund for the Sharks, Sub-Zero of Perron for the Blues. No, that's awesome. That's a beast. I am glad I was able to pull that one. Green of Rust for Pittsburgh, a rookie for Minnesota of Beckman, $7.99 for Nashville, Novak. We got a green of Zahorna for Pittsburgh. Crystals of Sergachev for Tampa. A rookie of Raymond for the Red Wings. Green of Toffoli for Montreal. We got a rookie of Hardman for the Hawks. $2.99 for Chicago. Boagfist. Boagfist. Ice Premier's auto for the Hawks. We got a green of Fleury for Chicago, a rookie of Thompson for Vegas, $12.99 Alsing for Ottawa. Yeah, that is among one of the biggest McDavid autos I've gotten post-rookie year. Maybe the biggest one I've gotten post-rookie year. We got a rookie of Purinovich for the Blues, Crystals of Purinovich for the Blues, and a Lundell rookie for Florida. Stone for Vegas, orange of Luukkonen for Buffalo, and a Yannick for the Coyotes. Hard signed auto as well. We've got a Ehlers for the Jets blue, lavender of Jarvis for the Canes, Pinto rookie for Ottawa. We got a green of Pasternak for Boston, Taylor Hall for Boston Crystals. We got a rookie of Protas for the Caps, Connor Dewar for Minnesota. Premier jersey. By the way, guys, let's keep going on that Premier. Let's keep crushing it. Maybe I'm going to have one of those epic nights. Caulfield, green rookie for Montreal. A rookie of Swayman for Boston. Peterka for Buffalo, rookie. I don't know if there's a crease. Yeah, it looks like there's a crease in the puck area. We've got a green of Schmaltz for the Coyotes, orange of Kopitar for LA, and we got a rookie for Minnesota of Addison. Green of Olofsson for Buffalo. We got a Perfetti for the Jets rookie, and a Reichel $3.99 for the Jets Ice Premiers. I'm feeling Premier. I'm going to get something nasty, guys. I'll do these 2 packs now. We've got for LA to $9.99 Strand and a green for Vegas of Krebs. $12.99 of Hodorenko for the Rangers. $99 for Dallas of Robertson. All right, let's see what 22-23 is going to compete with now. What will 22-23 get? Green of Landeskog for the Avs. And a lavender for Philadelphia of Lykesell. And a rookie of Blankenberg for the Blue Jackets. Green of JVR for Philly. Crystals of Shesterkin for the Rangers. And a rookie of Perreault for the Ducks. Green of Spence for LA. We got a Seattle Shane Wright rookie. $5.99 for Tampa. Perbix. $5.99. We got a McDavid green for the Oilers. A rookie for LA of Spence. $9.99 for Philadelphia. Hodgson. Green of Kreider for the Rangers. Crystals rookie of Boldy for Minnesota. And a rookie of Sanderson for Ottawa. We got a patch. We got a green of Caulfield for Montreal. A rookie of Harris for Montreal. Exquisite to $199 of Kostelich for Ottawa. I think I'm one off his jersey number on that one. We got a green of Lykesell for Philly. Lavender for Minnesota, Foligno. And a rookie of Bobby Brink for Philly. Green of Scheifele for the Jets. Rookie of Myers for the Avs. And a Demko jersey for Vancouver. That McDavid is just so pretty. Oh my gosh. Green of Gooley for Montreal. McDavid for the Oilers. Sub-Zero. And a rookie of Schneider for the Rangers. We got a Kyrou for the Blues. Green. A rookie of Slavkovsky for Montreal. And a Cool Cuts for the Avalanche. Rantanen. Cool Cuts. Green of Hughes for Vancouver. Orange of Caulfield for Montreal. And a rookie of Lykesell for Philly. Green rookie Slavkovsky for Montreal. Crystals of Crosby for the Penguins. And a Gooley for Montreal rookie. Gooley. Green of Tage Thompson for Buffalo. We got a rookie of Kostelich for Ottawa. $9.99 for the Red Wings of Pearson. We got a green of McKinnon for the Avs, a Pearson for the Red Wings, and an exquisite to $3.49 rookie Matty Beniers. $3.49 exquisite Matty Beniers. Green of Holloway for the Oilers. A lavender of Fajimo for LA. And an Owen Power rookie for Buffalo. Green of Taves for the Hawks. A rookie for the Flyers of Noah Cates. And a Cool Cuts for the Anaheim Ducks. Trevor Zegras. We got a green of Hellebuck for the Jets, a lavender of Minnesota, Marc-Andre Fleury, or pink, whatever it is. Soderblom for the Red Wings rookie. Green of Yzerman for the Jets, Crystals of Verhaeghe for Florida, and a Perbix for Tampa rookie. Green of Boston Pasternak, Thompson for Buffalo Orange, and a Sandberg rookie for the Winnipeg Jets. Green of Pavelski for Dallas, Crystals of Shesterkin for the Rangers, Brant Clark for LA rookie. Green of Moverar for LA. We got our rookie for Winnipeg of Isamont. $12.99 ice rookie of Blue Mal. Green of D'Angelo for Philly. Crystals of Crosby for the Penguins. And our rookie of Rossi for Minnesota. Green of Kadri for Calgary. Rookie for Anaheim of Dostal. Gunther for the Coyotes. Rookie jersey. A green of Hollander for Pittsburgh. Sub-Zero of Kane for the Hawks. And a rookie of Kolyachonok for the Coyotes. All right, last box in this break. And again, ladies and gentlemen, this is why we join these breaks. You just never know what's going to come out of any of these products. We've got a green rookie of Pinto for Ottawa, a rookie of Marilinen for Ottawa, and a rookie auto for the Calgary Flames, Connor Zary. That's a solid one. Purple of Stone for Vegas, a green of Durandu for the Islanders, and a rookie of Durandu for the Islanders. We've got a mini die cut of Korchinski, Depth of Winter for the Hawks, McTavish for the Ducks green, and a Luke Hughes rookie for the Devils. Purple of Makar for the Avs, a green of Milano for the Caps, and a Farrell rookie for Montreal. Depth of Winter for Ottawa of Giroux, Farrell green for Montreal, Casper for the Red Wings rookie. Purple of Kaiser for the Hawks. Green of Grubauer for Seattle. Rookie of Dewar for Calgary. Ice Premiers $9.99 for the Oilers of Lavoie. We got a green for the Coyotes of Michelli. And a Logan Cooley rookie for the Coyotes. Sub-Zero to $7.99 for Calgary of Coronado. A green of Casper for the Red Wings. And a Kaiser for the Hawks rookie. We got a Sergachev Depth of Winter for Tampa. Green of Kachuk for Florida. And a Patera for Vegas. We got a $4.99 for Buffalo Rusick. We got a Power Green for Buffalo and a Bolduc for the Islanders rookie. We got a thick one. Frozen in Ice Kaprizov for Minnesota. A Dewar for Calgary green. Gushin for the Sharks rookie. Snowman Peltier for Calgary. Green of Marchenko for the Jackets. Shilov's rookie for the Canucks.